Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 26th, 2021. REN Crypto. Let's give you all a price prediction today in the market for REN. We want to know, could we buy REN today and expect the price to go to 120, $1.20? Well, welcome. This is HueFin. This is what I do. We predict prices by looking at the price alone. We don't look at articles. We don't look at news catalysts. We don't look at what some type of individual tweets. We don't look at other YouTubers to try to figure out where the market price is going to go. We simply look at the price chart the simple way. We don't add anything to it. So welcome to HueFin. If this is your first time, you guys will see that you are also able to predict prices without the confusion. If you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap the bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You guys don't want to miss out on my price predictions. I make it simple. I make this easy. And I want you all to take a look. We did a video in REN on the last day of October. Yeah, we did. And we were playing the weakest into the market in REN on that particular video, and take a look at what the price did. See, we don't hide anything from our subscribers. We show you the good ones. We show you the bad predictions that we do. And this one was pretty good. You guys can see it right here. November the 16th, 16 days into the price prediction, the market in REN came and got us our 19.13%. That's what we talked about. Right? You come in, grab the bag, you move on to the next play. So now let's talk. First things first, are we still in an uptrend? Right? Take a look at this. Are we still noticing REN's price trending up higher? No, we're not. We broke the trend in REN. That is a massive indication that the bullishness in REN is done for the time being. Don't expect this price in REN to go up until we create another ascending line, and right now that is not being formed. That is not being seen. Secondly, that 120 is the restriction point. This is where the sellers are at. So if we cannot see REN's price break above 120, guess what? Don't expect the price to go up there neither. So if we cannot see REN's price knock out these two things, create another ascending line, create another upward trend, and then two, break 120 to the upside, we already know what to expect. We already know what we're in for. Either we're going to continue to trade in the channel, consolidate, or price is going to continue to go down. The chart is already telling us this information. So we should not be surprised when we see REN come down to the bottom, continue to trend lower. This is where the buyers are at. Here at 70 cents. Okay. We've seen it twice. September, and then again here in November, we saw price in REN come in and grab 70 cents. That's where the buyers are at. Okay, so now we are meandering right in between these two horizontal lines. This is what we can expect to see in REN's price if we're not going to go down in price. This is the best outcome right now. Outside of that, yeah, price can continue to trend lower for this currency. Okay, so now let's see this, because not only are we looking at $1.20 being restriction, we can also see that this area here also is a restriction point too, right? Back here towards April of this year, March timeframe, REN was able to hold that price level for support. Well, we broke it in May and trended lower. And now we're finding that this $1 area is still acting as restriction in REN. It kind of shows us that this is where the tricks are being had into the market in REN. So if we cannot even break $1 to the upside, don't expect the price to hit 120. The answers are already here on the price chart. We just got to figure it out where it is and how and where price is trying to go. Look at this on 2-day. These two-day price bars, I want you all to notice this. We saw volume increase on both of these 2-day price bars, and the price is closing below. Come on, that simply tells you, that's a red herring. It tells you that people are selling the market in REN. Yeah, over the last 4 trading days, the majority of the transactions that has occurred into the market in REN was selling. That volume is definitely telling you that has been the case. Let's look at this on the 3-day then. This is the 3-day time frame. So again, with the high volume over the last 2 3-day price bars, and where price has been closing on REN on those 2 3-day price bars, I mean, it tells me that the majority of the market is selling. and not to be bullish as of this particular moment. So can we see price hit $1.20? Not yet. Not yet. What about on the 5-day? This is the market in REN on the 5-day time frame. Again, pay attention to the volume. This volume is standing out against all the other volume that we've seen since the beginning of October. We haven't seen this much volume in REN since then. And by us seeing price close below $1, it makes you wonder again, where in the world is this price trying to go in REN, right? Weekly time frame. Let me show you the monthly since we're towards the end of the month of November. So look at that. I'm not really seeing a play here in REN. I'm not seeing one yet. So if anything, I'm going to continue just to watch the market in REN. Now, am I bullish? No, I'm not bullish into the market in REN. What I'm really expecting the market to do, to end out the month of December, just kind of bouncing between these two lines. Now, granted, price is weak. So for us to really come up to $1 to $1.20, I'm looking at that less likely to occur. I'm looking at price really to come down, hit 80 cents, 70 cents, they might get a couple of pushes to the upside in price, beginning of December time frame. But outside of that, I really don't see anything here right now, right? But yeah, the market here is weak for REN. So check this out. Let's see. To see the market come down to 80 cents, that's like 9.82% profitability. For us to come back down to 70, that's around 20%. Okay. So check this out. This dollar area price is restriction, most definitely. And this tells us to not be bullish into the market in REN until we see price break back up above 120 or $1, excuse me. Outside of that, the next level for us to see restriction would be up here towards $1.10. Okay. So again, I'm not seeing a biased direction into the market in REN, more or less just for it to bounce in between these two lines that I got drawn on my chart. Are we weak? Yes, we are seeing the price being weak in REN, but not that weak. That's why I'm looking at 80 cents, 70 cents for price to go. I'm not calling an all-out crash or collapse in price. No, I'm not saying that. But price is generally weak within these two horizontal lines of my chart. That's what I'm trying to get you all to see. Now, if price is able to reclaim $1, move up above $1, move up above $1.10, then that $1.20 is definitely going to be tagged. And I'm going to be looking at the chart in REN to see if price is able to break $1, because if so, yeah, be prepared for the market to hit up there towards $1.20. All right, so I'm gonna keep this here. This is our updated price prediction to the market in REN. You guys can see what my thoughts are. You guys listen to what I said. Now it's your turn. I want to see what your thoughts are, right? Drop me a comment and tell me, where do you all expect the price in REN to go over the next 3 weeks, right? Simply let us know, what are your notices on the price chart? Tell me where you think the market's going to be, so that everyone who views our videos, who reads our comments, can see your thoughts as well. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.